Hey, it's Lisa with LA Savings, and these are the Rite Aid deals for the week of January 4th. Not that great. After doing CVS, Rite Aid was kind of disappointing. But what you can do, they have the Bic pens. They're $2. You get a $1 Upperward back with a limit of 4. Some areas got a $1 coupon today in their paper. So if you have that $1 coupon, it makes the pens completely free. Because you'd pay $1, you'd get $1 back, limit 4. If you don't have the coupon, then it's going to be a cost of $1. So you'd pay $2, you'd get $1 back. The Zantac, the reason why I did this one is because I have money I had to spend today, and there wasn't that many great deals to do. So there is a mail-in rebate on this. Usually when I use Upperwards and things, I do get my money back in the mail-in rebate. I guess it really just depends each time, but so far I have gotten it back. So it is $8.99. There is a $4 coupon in today's paper, so you pay $4.99 and you could send away for the mail-in rebate. I usually get the full price back, but I guess worst case scenario I'd get back the $4.99. The Tresemme, this is the 32-ounce size bottles. They're when you buy 2, you get a $3 Upperward back. They're $4 this week, so 2 of them would be $8. I used 2 of the $2 manufacturer coupons that came in today's paper, so I paid $4 and I got back the $3 Upperward, so they're 50 cents each. Last deal is on the Bayer. It is buy 2 get 1 free, so the low dose was $3.29, so 2 of them would be $6.58. And then there is that 10 off of 3 manufacturer coupon in today's paper. That did go through. It didn't have to be pushed through or anything. I had no problems with that. It did take off the full $10 because I did have other items in my order that covered the overage. So it was a $3.42 money maker because of the coupon. There are no Upperwards with that. So 4 things this week. And if I find anything else, I will share it. So have a great day.